Welcome to the eP2P application user tutorial guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to evaluate the scorecard form. To evaluate the scorecard form, the user will need to go My Scorecard Form. Evaluate. The user will see the list of available scorecard period to evaluate. Choose the scorecard period by select the radio button. Then, click on Next. Select the radio button scorecard period form. Then, click Evaluate button. The following screen will appear if date of the mid-year evaluation has lapsed. User need to click on Proceed button to continue with the end result evaluation of scorecard. Choose the scorecard period by select the radio button. Then, click on Next. Once done, choose the scorecard period by select the radio button. Then, click on Evaluation button. Once done, the following screen is displayed will appear. The user has to fill up the form with the required details. Click Save as Draft button to submit. Next, the user has to submit the evaluation scorecard form by select the radio button. Click Next. Select the available radio button for evaluation scorecard form. Click Submit button. If user wish to edit the scorecard form, user may go to My Scorecard Form. Planning. Select the radio button for scorecard form. Then, click Next. Then, select the scorecard form, click Edit button. The following screen is displayed will appear. User may edit the information. Click Save as Draft button to submit. Once done, user may select the scorecard form radio button. Click Next. Select the scorecard form radio button. Then, click Submit button. The notification will appear once the application is successfully submit. The request will then be forwarded to the user's superior for recommendation.